Hey everyone, I hope all of you are really doing well. Let's start today's chapter. Would you like to go to the ground before starting this chapter? I hope you will like it. After coming from this ground, we'll going to physics lab. After that, we'll start our chapter. So let's go to ground first. Okay, again we have come back from the ground. PPT is same yet. So let's go to physics lab then. After so many struggle, I have made the simple structure for you. You can see I have installed one laser light over here, and this laser light is being reflected from this particular place. You can see over here, and from here it has been reflected to where? On the roof. Is it clear? On that ceiling. Just look at the ceiling. And this is the simple structure. What is the structure? This is the simple reflection of light. And what we are going to do today, let's see. I hope all of you have seen the structure of it. Now we will do something very interesting. Actually, what happens? This structure, you can see, this functions like a membrane. Okay. Now, if I speak something over here, this is the place. If I speak something over here, that wave will be propagated through air and it will make this membrane vibrate. Okay, and obviously it will respond. Now let's see the floor, I mean that ceiling, and after that we will be able to understand what we are creating and what is being happen. So come, let's see what happens. Oh, 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 oh. Let's sing a song. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ओम शांति शांति शांति. Yes, we have returned from the physics lab. Now let's understand what we are going to discuss today. Now the matter is sound. Let's do something interesting. I hope you can hear it. Can you hear it? No? Why? What is the reason behind it that you cannot hear the second one but you can hear the first one? Let's explain it properly. Actually, what happens that you have seen right now, that mirror which was placed on that membrane, whenever you have started singing music or we have started talking anything and which is actually creating sound, it propagates through the air and which is vibrating that membrane. Similarly, the way I am talking right now, it is going up to you just because it is disturbing this air. But in the another case, can you hear me? No, I don't think you have heard. So why? Because I have started speaking something but it cannot disturb the air molecules. Let's see what happens next. Now see, this is the thing from our mouth to the ear. The way it propagates, actually this is called sound, and the sound waves are called as longitudinal wave. We'll know later what is longitudinal wave, but before that, let's see how things are happening. You can see it very clearly. This is the speaker. Let's consider I am talking over here, and this is the sound. This is the molecule which is moving from one place to another place. You can see it clearly. The way it has started, it was actually vibrating. Okay, from its mean position, wherever it was situated earlier, from the very first and second, it is just moving from one place to another place. But the thing is, it was not displaced from one place to another place. So it is clearly mentioned the particles are not traveling. What is being traveled? The disturbance. The disturbance which was created from here, which is propagating from this place, and after that it it has situated at that place which was clearly visible. I hope you have understood how sound propagates. The similar way, inside our ear there is eardrum which is vibrating, and generally it creates and it accepts that vibration and going the signal is being sent to the brain, and obviously we can understand what is being said to us, isn't it? After that, you can see there are three things: audible range, infrasound and ultrasound. What is audible range? Can we hear each and every sound? No, it's not like that. We can only hear the range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Obviously, will come next part. What is Hertz? This is called the unit of frequency. We'll go later. But for now, you understand this is the range of it. From 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, we can hear any of the sounds, but which is less than 20 Hz, this sound is called as infrasound, and which is more than 20,000 Hz, this sound is called as ultrasound. We cannot hear this. This is the limitation of our ear, but what we can hear, that is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. So here is the more thing, that is the propagation of sound. It must mix a medium, and not only that, obviously the particles are moving from one place to another place, and the last of all, if there is any vacuum, then sound will never be propagated, okay, because sound needs medium to travel. I hope you liked it, and for the next class I will suggest each and everyone to write some questions and ask me. If you are not asking any question, then we will not go to the ground, we will not go to the physics lab. Thank you everyone for today. This is it. If you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me right now. Have a nice day. Happy learning.